So you want to see how easy it is to get a space from Unity into the metaverse using Mona? Let's jump in. First, we need to install Unity if you haven't already. So let's go to the following link, which is down below. So unity3d.com, get-unity/download. We want to download the Unity hub. Click on that, save as, and put it on your desktop, for example. Next, you would double click on that and install Unity hub. Now, I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. But once installed, you can then open up Unity hub. For example, you'll have no projects because you haven't set anything up. We want to add a new one. Now, the one we want is 2020.3.18F. And as you can see, the one we want is not in here. So we need to go to the download archive, which is here. 2020.x, 2020.3.18, and then go Unity Hub and open. Add modules to 2020.3.18. Yes, yes. Now the next main thing is this one. We need WebGL build. If you do not have that, you cannot get it in Mona. Install. This will take some time, so I'll speed this up a bit. While doing that, let's get the Mona template. We need this link. So github.com/monaverse/space starter, capital S, capital S. This is what you need to put into Unity to get the files needed to go inside Mona. So we need to go code and download zip. I will save that into the desktop. Documentation can be found here, which has a lot of useful information. Get you started, for example. But we'll be covering a lot of this over the next few sessions. Once you have the Mona template, we can unzip it to create the folder we need. So let's right mouse click that to here. And then rename that file to whatever you like it. In that folder, you will have your assets, packages, project settings, etc., which we will open in Unity once it installs. So that took about 20 minutes, or if not more so. So the Unity install does take some time. All right, now that we've done that, let's open our project. So go to Projects, Add, and we can find the build that we created, which was here, and then select. That should be equal. Don't go up, don't go anywhere else. This is exactly what we want. Current platform, and go. So I like to rearrange some of my windows around. So I prefer that one there. Prefer that one there. I prefer one column, so it's easy to see everything there. That goes down. We do not need this, so let's close the tab there. I will be using animation and animator. I usually put those in there. Now we have untitled, main camera, and directional light. We do not need these. We need Mona, load space scenes. So we have that. Then we need to go right mouse click and remove scene. Therefore, we have all the things we need for a space. Now, generally, I like to unpack this one. Prefabs are a thing for another video, but for now, let's just unpack. Portals also, and artifacts. Probably these two. Don't use unpack completely because that will do all of the children under that object, and we don't want that. So for example, we want to keep this prefab. So if we change the original, this will change with it. So we'll keep that as a prefab. Now, that's basically it. We can actually test this scene as it is. So let's do that. So go around there, back to perspective, move that there. So note the spawn point. These are artifacts. I'll get to those on my next video, and portals. So we need to build playground files. And then go to the website www.mona.gallery/playground. And then when that is done, this will come up. Now, if you lose this, for example, we can easily find it again. Data in basically where the folder was before, for example here. And inside we have exports. And inside that we have our playground files. Now you could select the file and do this, or just drag and drop. And there you have it. You are now in the metaverse. If you press this H, you will see the controls, for example. But basically, we have click on the space, mouse look, left, right, up, down. WASD to get around. And V brings up the avatar, for example. So I use that. A portal, NFT, or artifact in this case. And that's it. That is basically our Mona space with nothing in it. So that's basically it for setting up a Mona space in Unity. Next video, we're going to be looking at how the spawn points, the artifacts, and the portals work, as that is the basic understanding of a Mona space. And then we'll get into all of the tools to make an amazing space for Mona. Thanks for watching.